think it was in my early 20s when I first noticed hair loss. You know, losing your hair is certainly a hit to your ego. I actually ran across Dr. Bolton's website pretty early on and was just amazed by the results that are on there. So many stories, so many before and after. You can really see the results. The day of my procedure was great. I live in Connecticut, so I flew down the morning of. Having hair again, like when I was in my teens and early 20s, has been amazing. I would absolutely recommend Dr. Bolton to others. Dr. Bolton, thank you.
I first started losing my hair around age 19, really lost my confidence. One of the best things I've ever done for myself, both physically and emotionally. It was really smooth. I was really comfortable. The hair grows in quick and it grows in dense. The office and the staff here at Dr. Bolton's office are fantastic. Dr. Bolton knows what he's doing. He's definitely a professional and a pro. You don't need to look any further than Dr. Bolton. I would 100% recommend Dr. Bolton to anyone. Thank you for giving me a new leash on life.
Previous hair transplant from Dr. Bolton, I got the same thing I just got 2 weeks ago. I got the max harvest. I made the appointment with Josh. So I got the temple done and the top as well. So, and now this is 2 weeks out. Grow out my hair and comb it back, and I'll have a real strong, solid hairline. That was my main goal for this procedure. It looked good, but now it's gonna look great.
And knowing you, I think in about 5 months it'll be looking pretty good, so we're excited for you.
Yeah.
I started losing my hair when I was close to 40. Actually, I was late. Every single movie, every single picture, I just decided that he was a doctor. You know, I got that feeling from my heart that he was a doctor. My procedure day was great, no pain, we have a lot of fun. We went like this. Communication is not an issue, any question, right away, email, phone calls, it was answered like this, you know, so, and you know, the results are truly amazing. One procedure. I thank Dr. Bolton for really, you know, my expectations were met and beyond.
Because I like the first one, very good. Very relaxed, and then the hair starts coming through, and then the smile gets bigger.
In the past week, we've had a patient from Egypt, a patient from Trinidad and Tobago. We brought the entire hairline down and around the whole way. Perfect. You feel great.
I would say do it. If you're thinking about it, do it. Very comfortable, very relaxed. The aftercare is incredible. Lots of support, and your smile will get bigger throughout the year.